Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on Apple Maps. You have to start by open Apple Maps application. Now select location what you wanna pin. Let's say I want to pin this location. Press and hold the space and then scroll down, click at the pin. You can unpin it or remove this pin, and you can find this pin if you click at the profile icon at the right side, then places, and in pin it we have this location. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!